Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Just got out of the hospital. Everything is good to go. And here we go. Let's see what's inside. And like I said, if you like this item, click on the link, add it to your cart, and check out. And we have here got something here. I think this might be a two-parter. So I got a couple packages in today, so I might just do all one type deal. Or maybe not. This is coming from Tolaccea. Whoa, this is cool. How far you people going to the gym, stuff like that, mini vacations. Take this on a carry-on. Look at this little gym bag. You put a lot of stuff in here. So see, got some deep pockets, you know, clothes, socks, shoes, boxers, men's or women's, so either or. But great to have for you. Put on the car. You got the strap. And this is definitely a nice bag, guys. You got the shoulder strap. You can carry it. All you gotta do is hook it the right way. There's a little latch. There we go. And then all you gotta do is connect it somehow. Here we go, and then boom. So this is definitely nice travel size bag. You got some stuff in here. You could fit socks or whatnot, toothbrush, toothpaste. So you could fit everything in this bag. So like I said, guys, back to school is happening. You can take this to your gym locker, stuff like that, or gym class, college dorms. That's a nice size. Maybe put some football equipment in there, stuff like that, laptop or whatever. This is definitely nice material, nicely made. So just definitely check them out, guys. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good weekend.